Hello boys and beauties, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Markela, and for those of you who do know me, welcome back. So today, as you all see, I do have my faux locks or soft lock bob in, and I'm going to show you all how to safely remove the locks without cutting or damaging your hair. So as you can see, I went ahead and parted my hair down the middle, and I'm just going to take one side of my hair and I'm going to clip it with a clip. You can use a scrunchie or a rubber band, it does not matter. So right now you see me all, I am actually loosening up, I was loosening up the lock, and I did go ahead and take some scissors and cut it. So when you are removing your locks, first of all, it's going to take you a long time to do depending on how small they are. And second of all, you do want to watch where you begin to cut. That way you won't accidentally cut your hair. So I think it's really important when you're taking your hair down. I did go ahead and slow this down for you, that you all basically unwrap it the opposite way. So the way that the hair is wrapped, you basically just want to find your starting point, and you just want to take that extra hair that was wrapped around the lock and you want to begin unlocking that. So that is what I am doing currently. I did go ahead and slow it down, and it did take me a little while too, because I think I wrapped like 2 pieces around, but nevertheless, you just want to continuously unwrap it, and eventually you are going to get to the point where you will feel your actual braid, your actual real hair. And what I did when I actually got to that point was I actually just started to just take the braid down, and eventually the crochet lock actually came undone. So as you all see it, I'm still currently unwrapping it. But if you do have longer hair, of course, you know you will start a little longer, like below the point where I actually started. But once you actually get into the groove of taking the lock down, it gets easier. It did take me a very long time to take down my hair. I think it's because I was getting confused, but it is not as simple as taking down twists or box braids for sure. So make sure you set some time to the side for the day that you do actually decide to take your hair down, okay? So I'm almost there. So you all see, like, you basically can see the 2 separate pieces. Like, one is black and the other one is like a brownish color. And I believe at this point is where I actually was able to just untwist and eventually just pull the hair down. The hair was pretty tangled, but yeah, there we go. So I finally split the 2, and now we are going to unravel it. Boom. And it's that easy. So now I'm just going to go ahead and grab my hair. As you see, it's still locked. It's 2 separate pieces from when I actually started the lock. And if you all have not seen the video on how to do soft locks, make sure you click the link above. And I also have the transformation video on how to transform your short locks. How to transform your long locks into short locks or into a bob. So make sure you guys check that out. But honestly, this is pretty much it. It does take some time, so be sure that you put some time to the side the day that you decide to take your hair down. And there will be a little bit of build up at your roots, so you definitely want to make sure you separate that before you begin to comb. And also another thing that I did was I did comb each lock once it was taken down. So I did comb my hair just to get all that excess build up. So I am going to go ahead and let you all watch the rest of the video. It's not really too much to it. I did speed up the rest of the video only because it is kind of self-explanatory, but I did want to go ahead and show it for those people who are not aware of how to remove, because it's not the same from twists or braids. So make sure you all like, comment, share, and subscribe this video and continue watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty guys, so I am just about finished. Like I said, it did take me a long time, so I'm basically just going to go ahead and skip to the point where my hair is fully taken down. And I think I had already went ahead and washed my hair. I did just want to show you all that I finally was able to take my hair down. So once again, thank you all for watching this video. Be sure to check out my previous videos, and I hope to see you all next time. Have a good one. Bye.